big vendors here, also one of the show sponsors, helps run this show, Dennis Baker, Baker Airguns. Dennis, welcome.
Thank you.
And we're glad you're here. Tell us a little bit about the show. I mean, if anybody knows anything about this show, it's this guy. And, I mean, he's been instrumental in getting this thing running. So, Dennis, what have you got for us?
Well, it's one of the premier airgun shows in the country. Beautiful venue. The Aladdin Shriner Center is just simply a beautiful venue. We have outdoor seating, plenty of parking, plenty of space. It's just a beautiful venue. We have 105 tables of air guns and air gun related materials. We've got everything from 19th century daisies to the most modern field target and target rifles. And there's just every kind of air gun here.
Nice. And what do you see in the future of this show? I mean, is the goal to keep it about the same size as it is now?
No, we want to grow. No, we want to grow. We'll have some challenges ahead of us to match the demand for tables and attendees. We're going to grow.
Excellent.
We're going to continue to use the range. I mean, the range is very important part of the show. Shooting is very important.
That's important because, you know, at 1 o'clock today, the range opens. It's a fun shoot. As you heard earlier from Airguns of Arizona, they're also bringing that van down there for demos with all the new Daystate and Brocock products. So that's excellent. That's a great time for you guys. Good value for your time also.
Yep, it's a full weekend. We have a field target event tomorrow, and it's a full weekend event. So come to Columbus and try it out.
That's right. Thank you, Dennis.
Thank you. Appreciate you stopping by. Now get back to work.
This is work. Hey guys, I got some exciting stuff coming up. We're going to be hitting up some airgun shows. We're going to be going to some field target events. We're also going to be testing some air guns. So if you like this kind of content, you want to see more, let me know. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know you like what you see. So until next time, may your pellets fly straight and your trigger pull stay smooth, and we'll see you right here on the Airgun Advisor.